In this video, I will guide you how you can activate Spectrum Mobile eSIM. So first of all, make sure to visit their website or head over to their application and make sure to purchase your eSIM plan, and you will going to receive a QR code which is going to look something like this. Now once you have received your QR code, it's now time for the activation. So head over to your settings of your iPhone and then you need to tap on this mobile, and once you tap on it, simply tap on this setup mobile or setup cellular. Then you need to simply tap on this use QR code which is on the bottom of your screen, and then you just need to scan the QR code that you have received from Spectrum Mobile. And once you scan the QR code, you just need to then tap on this continue on the bottom to activate your eSIM and wait for few seconds in order for it to complete its activation. Then you need to simply choose your plan label by tapping on this secondary and choosing any one of these or typing your own label. Then you just need to choose the primary for the default line and choose primary again for iMessages and FaceTime. At the end, cellular data, which is the most important step, make sure to select secondary and allow cellular data switching is toggle off. Then tap done on the bottom, and now your eSIM will going to be added into your SIM section, which you can then tap on it, and then make sure that data roaming is toggle on and turn on this line on the top is also toggle on. So that's the way of how you can activate Spectrum Mobile eSIM.